In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the Beyerdynamic Amiron wireless headphones, acclaimed for their extraordinary sound performance. Let's delve into what makes these headphones stand out and what might hold you back from choosing them as your daily drivers. Starting with the positives, the Beyerdynamic Amiron wireless headphones deliver exceptional sound quality. This is where they truly shine, offering audio that's not just detailed, but also spacious and engaging. It's a transformative experience, offering a wireless auditory pleasure that mirrors the experience you might expect from high-end wired headphones. So if you're an audiophile, these could indeed be the top choice for you. Moving on to the build quality, these headphones boast an impressive, high-quality construction. The feel is decidedly premium, and durability seems to be a top priority in their design. These headphones are built to last and withstand long hours of listening, whether you're relaxing at home or quietly grooving in your favorite nook. Another highlight is the excellent battery life, offering around 30 hours of playback time. That's ample juice for even the longest listening sessions, ensuring that you're not scrambling for a charger at the end of the day. And they support advanced codecs like aptX HD and aptX low latency. This means you can enjoy higher quality wireless streaming, a crucial feature for those who cherish crisp sound without any lag. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's discuss some drawbacks you might encounter with these headphones. A notable absence is the lack of active noise cancellation, or ANC. In today's competitive market, this omission can be quite glaring, especially given their price tag. Without ANC, they may not be the best choice for noisy environments. Additionally, they offer poor passive noise isolation. Due to the design of the ear cups, which tend to leave gaps around the ears, external noises seep in, and your audio can leak out. So if you're looking to use them outside the quiet confines of home, this may become an issue. Furthermore, their large and non-folding design contributes to their bulkiness, making them quite cumbersome for travel. They're definitely more suited for home use rather than taking them on your daily commute or travels. Lastly, let's talk about the cost. These headphones come with a steep price tag, which can be off-putting for some, especially considering they lack ANC. It boils down to a balance of prioritizing sound quality and build over features like portability and noise cancellation. In conclusion, the Beyerdynamic Amiron wireless headphones excel in delivering top-notch audio quality with a robust build, but at a premium price with some limitations in noise isolation and portability. If you value sound above all else and mainly listen at home, these might very well be worth considering. But for those seeking a travel companion with ANC, it might be prudent to explore other options.